Hello vlog. Hello guys. Welcome to my guys.
Prepare ng aking photographer. So guys, samahan niyo po kami. Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi. Good afternoon. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Jeddah again sa panibago nating client. Today is Thursday. May wedding tayo dito na i-cover. So yan, prepare na kami for the wedding details. Yan. It's around 4 o'clock na. Pero mamaya pa naman ang reception program 9 p.m. Tapos na kami sa mga details ng groom and bride. Ngayon sa mga couple na tayo. Yan ang suot ng ating groom, ay ang tinatawag na biatawi sa pauso.
Manguwang biya.
What's that? Don't go back. Don't go. Para always ko. Yan, isa pa.
Tumidilim na. Set up na ang istirahan na to. Yan ang set up ng venue na to. Dito pa, meron pa extension na dito sa labas. Actually, dalawang istirahan siya. Pinag-combine para mas madaming ma-accommodate. Ayan, naghihintay tayo ng mga bisita na darating. So, ayan, tambay muna. Ito ang ating isang light, saka dito tayo tatambay. Meron tayong space dito para tumambay. Yan. Hello, yan. Ulat na mga matong. Pero 8 p.m. na pa rin na guys. Thursday kasi kaya. So, mga biyayaon. May pagkawin na.
The father will delegate to me about the one. La nikaha illa bi shahidai adli. There is no marriage except there must be two just witnesses.
So yan, while nag-khutbah ka, nari muna kami, andito muna kami sa gilid.
Habang nagpe-present kami.
Habang nakikinig kami ng khutbah ka ni Sir Eric.
We are doing multitasking while having an event. We are also editing our thesis.
Hi guys, it's been a while that Omar Fox and host Mags have been together, so it's like an opportunity to be here and mamaya mag-book magpalingkat sin wedding once in a lifetime da ando book nyo na ni Omar Fox Studio bang nyo din malangay MC no? Ano? MC, choreographer, coordinator. So we're not just like hosting or doing the videographer and photographing. Ayan.
have our host here.
We're also collaborating. Like we will make sure that your wedding is
Special day of
a
your life.
special day of your life.
It will be a moment, a special moment of your life. It will be special. With have fireworks in it.
True, fireworks.
Para ma-maximize natin ang oras ay mag-edit tayo ng previous client. Kung nakikita nila. Ma-edit natin ng previous client. Yan, kasi yesterday I have also client birthday. So ngayon wedding. Habang nag-utbani ka pa para ma-maximize natin ang time. So yan, ina-edit natin. Kaya nag-enhance tayo ng photo. Tapos na ang kutbani ka. Ngayon, sabog na naman si MC Mags. Ang kanyang games. Yan, pag-games.
Disconnect siya.
Mamaya pangalan. Gusto program ka? Ano pangalan ko sila? Yan, tapos na. Kantahan na lang. Organ. Okay, thank you so much everyone for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Omar Fox Studio and Sir Om's page. Well, thank you so much.